Namaste dear students. In the last class we discussed about which one? Yes, quadratic trend, isn't it? Fitting quadratic, there is a quadratic equation means a second degree equation to the given time series data, how to fit, isn't it? In that one thing you have to remember, here trend values we are not finding because in your syllabus it is not there, only because it is a lengthier process. A plus bx plus ex square we are fitting, in that we have to put different values of x so that we are getting the trend values, but it is a lengthier procedure, isn't it? So we are not finding the trend values. So quadratic trend line also we can draw after substituting the values of trend value, but it is not in your syllabus. Okay. So just you must come to know how to find the values of A, B and C. Next we are substituting in the equation y equal to a plus bx plus ex square. So we b value we are directly finding from the second equation, and from first one and third equations we are finding the values of a and c, isn't it? So that also over, normal equations we found, that also over. So next one is third type trend. This is the last portion in this unit, that is a fitting exponential trend. Exponential trend, it is also called as a logarithmic trend because we are finding logarithms here, so it is a logarithmic trend. So we will see how to find what is the exponential trend equation, what are the normal equations, and what are the values we have to find, and how to fit a logarithmic trend we will see in today's class. So let exponential trend or logarithmic trend, let y equal to a b power x, remember a into b power x be the exponential trend equation. Let y equal to a b power x be the exponential trend equation. Okay. Then where a and b are constants, as you already know a and b are constants, y denote the sales or whatever may be the variables in that time series data, that is y, x denotes the time points. So y denotes the variable, a and b are constants, x denote the time points. Next, how we are finding the normal equations, everything first we have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, taking logarithm on both sides, the equation will be log y equal to, this is a log a. We know that log of a into b equal to log a plus log b, isn't it? So log a plus c, we also know that log of b to the power x or log of m to the power x equal to x into log m. In your first year class, that are the properties of logarithms. So here log a plus log of b power x, that is same as x into log b, by using the properties of logarithms. Next, log y equal to log a plus x into log b. Next, normal equations. Normal equations are, so normal equations, if it is difficult to remember, don't remember normal equations, but you have to remember the equations, which one, how to find a and how to find b. A and b equations, that must be remembered, and in some problems log a and log b also you have to remember. Easiest one, see here first taking sigma log y equal to n into log a plus log b into, log b is a constant, sigma x, isn't it? Next, sigma x into log y equal to x into log a plus 1 minute, n into log a into sigma x. Okay. Okay, log A is a constant here, log A into sigma x, taking summation and multiplying. Next, log B into sigma x square. Okay, so log A into sigma x plus log B into sigma x square. So sigma log y, first taking summation, sigma log y equal to log A is log A we are taking summation, it is a constant actually. So n times we are adding it, so it is n into log A plus log B is a constant, so log B into sigma x, again multiplying by x. Sigma x into log y equal to log A into sigma x plus log B into sigma x square. Take x in such a way that sigma x equal to 0. So, in all equations, if it is a straight line equation or a quadratic equation, we did the same. We took x in such a way that time points in such a way that sigma x, total of time points equal to 0, isn't it? So, that is from the first equation, what is log A? Sigma x equal to 0. So, sigma x equal to 0 means sigma log y equal to n into log A, isn't it? Sigma log y equal to n into log A. From this log A equal to, therefore, log A equal to sigma log y divided by n. Correct na? Log A equal to sigma log y divided by n. From the second equation, if sigma x equal to 0, this one will be 0. Log B into sigma x square equal to sigma x log y. I will write this one. From second equation, sigma x log y equal to log B into sigma x square. That is log B equal to log B here itself, this one I am taking to the left side. So, it is sigma x log y divided by sigma x square. Log B equal to sigma x log y divided by x square. That are the values of log A and log B. Remember, they are not A and B. For finding A and B, again I have to take the anti-logarithm, isn't it? So, log A equal to sigma log y divided by n, log B equal to sigma x log y divided by sigma x square. From this, what is A? Implies A equal to anti-log of sigma log y divided by n, and here it is B equal to anti-log of sigma x log y divided by sigma x square. Okay. So, remember one thing, you have to remember this equation, this equation. If you remember these two equations, however, A is anti-log of. If you know log A is anti-log of that quantity. So, log A and log B equations you have to remember. I will check once again, sigma log y divided by n, log B sigma x log y divided by sigma x square, correct. So, see, log A is this one, you remember, just remember these two equations. Remember this one, y equal to a b power x be the exponential trend equation. Then first you have to take log on both sides. Next normal equations. Normal equations, if it seems to be difficult to remember, don't remember this one, you have to remember these two. These two are important, and if you know log A and log B, it is not difficult to find A and B. A is just anti-log of that one. So, you have to remember these two, and if you remember these two, these are easy to remember. Can we go to the problem? Yes. Okay. First problem. So, here how many? See, two types are there. I will tell problems. ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ fit an exponential trend of the curve y equal to a b power x to the following data ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ you have to find the values of a and b. These two equations are used and you have to remember these two equations. ಮತ್ತೆ a ಮತ್ತು b ಯ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಪವರ್ x. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2010 ಹಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ತೆಗೆದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾಗ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು. See, take a first question itself. Fit an exponential trend curve. Fit an exponential trend curve. Fit an exponential trend curve. Y equal to a b power x to the following data. Following data. This one let it be, sometimes it is required, so I kept there only. Year and production. Year production in crores. Year it starts from 2005, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, next 9, next 10, correct na? 7, 10, 12, 10, 12, 14, 17, 24. Okay, see here, this is the first type, y equal to a b power x. So here we have to find the value of a and b. Okay, that is antilog of ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಯೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್? ಒನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಇಯರ್, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವೈ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ equations, log y is required. So next column is for log y, log y is required. X into log y is required. Sigma means total of that one. X square is required, x is required, x square is required, log y is required, x into log y, that much columns are required. Last trend equation, trend values illa idralli kuda calculate madlikke. So year, okay, year 6, that much I think. Solution this one, year. Here next production, production is denoted by y. Here itself we have to write actually production. Next midpoint, time points x, next x square, next log y, next x into log y. Remember this much columns are required. So for exponential trend problems, so this much columns are required. Here y, x square, log y, x into log y. This much columns are required. So can we do? Yes. Year is 2005, next 2006, next 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Total is required, so I am leaving one here, total. Next 7, 10, 12, 14, 17, 24. X same, x how much here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 irodu, 6 irodrinda here minus 1, here plus 1. Minus 3, minus 5, 1, 3, 5. X square, minus 5 square, 3 square, 1 square, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. Okay, next log y, log y, take a log y, how to do? Log y, y a value, y a logarithm, 7 logarithm, if you see in the table it won't be there. 70 alli 0 nodbeku, 70 alli 0. So here what is the characteristic? You will have two parts, characteristic and mantissa. Characteristic 7 iddu, 7 means 7 annu 7.0 anta baribodu. So point na modla how many digits? 1 digit, 1 minus 1 0. 0.70 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.8451. Next one 10. 10 logarithm it is 2.000. Okay, 10 2.000. Okay, 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 digits, sorry, 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, how much? See, 10 means 10.0 I can write. Point ಮೊದಲು how many digits? 2 minus 1 1.000 or 1, simply 1 also you can write. Next 12 ಇದ್ದು ಸಹ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಸ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, 17 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, ಆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಹೇಳ್ತೆಲ್ಲ 0792. 0792. See in the logarithmic table it is available 1411461. Next 2304 3802 3802. X into log y. Next x into log y. This column into this one, negative will be there. If it is negative, you have to write negative. So negative into positive, negative. This one negative, this one negative. All three positive. Correct na? So I will write minus 4.2255, minus 4.2255. Next minus 3. Minus 3 into that one, 1. Minus 1.0792. 1.1461. 1.1461. 3.6912. 3.6912. Next 6.901. 901. Total is required. I will write sigma x log y total is 3.4336. Here 6.6810. Here 70. Here it is 0. Sigma y is not required, so no need. Next you have to write let y equal to, I wrote here only, let y equal to a b power x be the exponential trend equation. You have to write. So taking log on both sides, sigma log y equal to n into log a. Next you have to tell yes sir, not that one, so that is not required, only this much. After that log a. Normal equations ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, normal equations is not required. Okay, if sigma x 0 ಆದರೆ what is log a? Log a equal to sigma log y divided by n. See, I will write here only. Okay, here from this equation what is this one, sigma log y log a equal to, I will write here log a equal to sigma log y. Sigma log y means log y column total 6.6810. 6.6810 divided by how much? 6. Correct na? Answer is 1.1135. 1.1135. This much ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಇದು log a. We want to find a. A equal to antilog of 1.1135. That is 1.1135 is antilog of 12.99. 12.99. You must know 1 point means antilog ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡುವುದು? Antilog point ನ next 0.11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ mean difference 5 you have to see. You have to add that last mean difference. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕುವ ಮೊದಲು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಉಂಟು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. 1 + 1 2. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳದ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ log b equal to sigma x log y by sigma x square. So here sigma x log y is 3.4336 divided by sigma x square is 70. You will get one number here. It is 0.0491. 0.0491 idra antilog of 0.0491 is antilog is 1.119. Okay, A's value we got, similarly we got the value of B. This is B, 1.119. Okay, so we have, therefore the trend equation is y equal to A is 12.99 into B power x. B is 1.119 to the power x. So y equal to A into B power x. Clear na? So here nothing, you have to remember only one thing, y equal to AB power x, you have to remember. Next you have to remember these two equations. If these two formulae you remember, means you will construct the columns required to it, and however last column trend values we are not finding, so only this much columns are required in exponential trend. So y equal to AB power x antale idre, this is the method. In some problems avaru estimate anta kelidre idra modlina formula log y tegdiruva formula log y equal to log a plus x log b, adralle navu estimate ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ x na value ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. Hope it is clear. So y equal to idralle ಆದರೆ trend equation ಅಂದರೆ y equal to a into b power x itself. So can we do another problem? Yes, take next question. Next problem. Next problem is, so estimation idre how to do, we will do one problem of estimation. Okay, estimation na problem we will do. Population figures for a city are given below. Population figures for a city are given below. Year and population. Population in crores. Year and population. Population in thousand given, not crores. It is in thousands. It is a city, thousands. Year 2008, next 2009, next 2010, next 2011, 2012. It is 132, 142, 157, 170, 191. Next, fit an exponential trend. Fit y equal to AB power x to the above data and estimate the population for the year 2014. So this is the question. So how to do? So same here also, columns everything same. Only one thing you have to remember, y equal to AB power x ನಾವು fit ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Fit ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ estimation also there. Okay, so here same, here solution, year and population. Here next population. Population is denoted by y. Population. Next x, time points, x square log y. Next x into log y. Year it is 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. 132, 142, 157, 170, 191. Correct na? x at 5 are there, take a middlemost time point as 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, x square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Log y 132, 132 I can write as 132.0. So before decimal point 3 digits are there, 3 minus 1 2 point, here also 2 point, here also 2 point, here also 2 point. I wrote a characteristic only. Mantissa is obtained from the log table, that is 132 means 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2, no mean difference there, 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2, 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7, 17 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, 19 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1, no mean difference, don't go to mean difference, just only this much. I will write the this one. So it is x log y 2.1206, 1206, it is 1523, next 1954, next one 2307, 281, x into log y minus 4.24, 13, minus 2.1523, minus 2.1523, next 0, 0 into here 0. Next one is 2.2307, 2.2307, 1 into that one, x into log y, 2 into 2 point, that is 4.562. 5, 6, clear na? Next total, this one is not required, sigma x total 0, sigma x square 4, 8, 9, 10, sigma log y 10.98, this one is 0.3992, 0.3992, clear na? Next as usual, let y equal to a b power x be the exponential trend equation, then log y equal to, then again you can take the logarithm, no problem. Next log a mattu log b formula you have to remember. Log a equal to sigma log y divided by n, sigma log y total 10.98 divided by n denote number of observations 5, it is 2.1960, 960. Log b is this one, sigma x log y divided by sigma x square, sigma x log y 0.3992 divided by sigma log x, sigma x square, that is 10, that is 99, correct na? So namige next bekada equation this one, idra log tegdiro equation, not this equation, you just take the log of this one, that is log y equal to log a plus x into log b. So remember one thing, if you have estimation, so logarithmic trend alle estimation problem bandre, suppose estimate the value for next year means you have to substitute the values in this equation. So first equation alli alla substitute ಮಾಡುದು x na value, ಈ equation alli x equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡುದು. So log y equal to log a, log a is 2.1960 plus x into log b is 0.03992 into x, I wrote. This is our exponential trend equation. Logarithmic suppose estimation problem idre I told, so estimation idre this is the thing. Next put x equal to, here estimate of population for 2014. So for 2014 what is x value? X value how much? Just see the table. x 2008ಗೆ -2, 9ಗೆ -1, 10ಗೆ 0, 11ಗೆ 1, 12ಗೆ 2, 13ಗೆ 3, 14ಗೆ 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ನಾ? x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4. ಸೊ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2.1960 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.0392 into 4. You will get one answer here. So log y equal to, do in the calculator. So this one plus into ಮಾಡಿ one quantity you will get this one plus this one. Answer is 2.3557. 2.3557. That is log y. Remember log y cap 2014. This is log y cap 2014. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು y cap log ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ y cap 2014 equal to anti-log of 2.3557. This is a log. Log ನ again you have to take log ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ you have to take anti-log. So anti-log of 2.3557. Answer is 226.8. That much what is the unit here? That much what we calculated population. That much 1000 population. That much 1000 population. That is estimate of population for the year 2014. How we did? We did in logarithm after taking logarithm that equation. ಸೊ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ 2014 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್. ಲೋಗರಿಥಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು, ಲಾಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್. So hope this much is clear to you. So that is about a logarithmic trend. So hope this much is clear to you. We will do I'll give the assignments and all. Just go to that problems. First one thing you have to remember, fit an equation of the type means y equal to ab power x. a ಮತ್ತು b ಯ ಆಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ-ಲಾಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಲಾಗ್ ವೈ ಲಾಗ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರುವ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಯ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಎದು ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಇರುವ ಅದೆರಡೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದೆರಡೇ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. all other things same here, nothing difference, and not much columns are required, logarithm is required. Hope this much is clear to you. So this time series chapter over. Hope you understood the concepts. Thank you.